How to change thumbnail on YouTube Shorts. So first, go to YouTube app and then just click on your profile icon here at the top, bottom right corner. And then from there, just need to click on View Channel here at the top. Okay, next you just need to click on Shorts. From here, you can look for the short that you want to change the thumbnail. So just click on the three dots here at the top, and then click on Edit here. Now here, just need to click on the pencil icon here at the top left. Now you can just choose a frame of the video that you want to use as a thumbnail, and then from there just click on a check mark here at the top right. Okay, now just click on save. Okay, now it's been changed. Okay, so that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.